Hi guys, I am Shivam sir. Welcome back to you another important video. In this video, we will discuss about hybridization and its type. So look here, topic is hybridization. What is hybridization? Mixing of atomic orbitals of equal energy to form new orbitals of equivalent energy is called hybridization. What is hybridization? Mixing of atomic orbitals mixing of atomic orbitals of equal energy to form new orbitals of equivalent energy is called hybridization. What is hybridization? What is hybridization? Mixing of atomic orbitals of equal energy to form new orbitals of equivalent energy is called hybridization. After this, next topic is types of hybridization. Types of hybridization are number 1 sp hybridization, number 2 sp2 hybridization, number 3 sp3 hybridization, number 4 sp3 hybridization, number 5 sp3d2 hybridization, number 6 sp3d3 hybridization, and after this number 7 dsp2 hybridization, number 8 d2sp3 hybridization, so these are the types of hybridization. In this video we will study about each types of hybridization with their example. So first is sp hybridization. What is sp hybridization? So look here, first topic is sp hybridization. What is sp hybridization? Here is given as when one s orbital and one p orbital when one s orbital and one p orbital mix together to form 112 NEHO. NEHO means new equivalent hybrid orbital is called sp hybridization. What is sp hybridization? When one s orbital and one p orbital mix together to form two new equivalent hybrid orbital. 1, 1, 2. Two new equivalent hybrid orbital. This is called sp hybridization. For example, BeF2, BeS2, C2H2. Important point about sp hybridization. First point, shape. sp hybrid orbitals generally have linear shape. Second important point, bond angle. Bond angle 180 degree. Third important point, percentage S character. Percentage S character. S, here S is 1, so we have to write 1. 1 plus 1, 2 into 100. So we can say percentage S character is 50%. After this, percentage P character, here P is 1 and total orbital 2 into 100. We get again 50%. Normally we can say sp hybridization contain 50% S character, 50% P character. Now I am telling you BeF2 has sp hybridization. How? First we have to write electronic configuration of beryllium. 1s2, 2s2. Now in ground state, what is ground state? Lowest energy state is called ground state. Now we will fill these electrons in orbital. 1s, you know very well, 1s contain only one orbital. So look here, 2 electron, 1 electron and 2 electron. After this 2s, this is for 1s and for 2s. Again we have to fill 2 electron, 1 electron, 2 electron. And after this 2p. 2p contain 3 orbital. px, py, pz. Here 2p orbital is absent. This is 1s, this is 2s and this is 2p. We called it 2px, 2py, 2pz. So this is called ground state, means lowest energy state. After this, excited state. In excited state, we will provide some energy, then this electron jump from this orbital to this orbital. Now we can see arrangement become 1s. Due to loss of one electron, it contain only one electron. And after this, one electron join here. So we can say 1s, 1p. So 1s orbital and 1p orbital, it is p orbital, it contains sp hybridization. This is sp hybridization. Okay student, sp hybridization is clear. This is sp, 1s and 1p combined to form sp hybridization. We can also write in this way, 1s and 1p combined to form sp hybridization. After this, structure of BeF2. Structure of BeF2. BeF2. Valency of beryllium is 2. First point, its structure is linear. Beryllium fluoride is linear in shape. Second point, bond angle. Bond angle is 180 degree. Shape linear. Bond angle 180 degree. Okay students, after this next hybridization that is called sp2 hybridization. So number 2, sp2 hybridization. What is sp2 hybridization? When sp2 hybridization, look here, here is 1s orbital. When 1s orbital and 2p orbital, 1s orbital and 2p orbital mix together to form 2 plus 1 3, to form 3 NeHo, 2 1 3 3 NeHo, full form of NeHo, new equivalent hybrid orbital. This is called sp2 hybridization. What is sp2 hybridization? When 1s orbital and 2p orbital mix together to form 3 NeHo, new equivalent hybrid orbital. This is called sp2 hybridization. After this, for example is a boron trifluoride, boron trichloride, and ethene. So look here, first we discuss about hybridization BF3, atomic number of boron 5, its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. Now in ground state, we can show 1s, 1 electron, 2 electron, 2s, 1 electron, 2 electron, and 2p. 2p contain 3 orbital, 1 orbital, 2 orbital. This is 1s, this is 2s, this is 2px, 2py, and 2pz. After this excited state, in excited state, one we provide it energy, 1 electron jump from this orbital to this orbital. Now we have 1s, 1 electron left because 1 electron jump, and after this 1 electron, 1 electron. So look here, 1s and 2p, 1s and 2p orbital combine to form sp2 hybridization. Now important point about sp2 hybridization are: number 1, shape. Their shape is a trigonal. Example BF3. So shape of boron trifluoride is a trigonal, 1f, 2f, 3f. Second point, bond angle. Bond angle is 120 degree. So bond angle is 120 degree. After this, percentage S character. Percentage S character is equal to 1s upon total orbital 2 plus 1 3 into 100. We get 33.3%. After this, percentage P character. Here P orbitals are 2, so we can say 2 or total orbital 213 into 100. So we can say 66.6%. Okay students, after this, next is sp3 hybridization. What is sp3 hybridization? sp3, when 1s orbital and 3p orbital mix together. Next is sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization, when 1s orbital and 3p orbital mix together to form 314, 4 NeHo, new equivalent hybrid orbital, new equivalent hybrid orbital. This is called sp3 hybridization. What is sp3 hybridization? When 1s orbital and 3p orbital mix together to form 4 NeHo, 4 new equivalent hybrid orbital. This is called sp3 hybridization. For example, CH4 methane molecule, C2H6 ethane molecule, CCl4 carbon tetrachloride. Now we will discuss about CH4. Atomic number carbon 6, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Ground state, its electronic configuration, its electron fill in orbital as 1s, 2 electron, 2s, again 2 electron, and 2p, 1 electron. Here number of electron in p orbital 2, so 1 electron, 2 electron. Here 2 electron to 1 1 2, 2 electron 1 1 2. After this excited state, 1 electron jump from this s orbital to p orbital. So we have in 1s 2 electron, 2s only 1 electron jump, and 2p we contain 3 electron. So hybridization sp3, sp3 hybridization. Now students, I am telling you important point about sp3 hybridization. First, CH4, structure of CH4 molecule is this is the structure of CH4 molecule, methane molecule. CH4, it is a tetrahedral in shape. So important point, shape. Its shape is tetrahedral. Tetrahedral. Second point, bond angle 109 degree 28 minute. So bond angle is 109 degree 28 minute. After this, percentage S character. Percentage S character is equal to here 1s orbital, so we have to write 1. Total orbital 4 into 100. We get 25% S character. After this, percentage P character, P orbital 3, total 4 into 100 is equal to 75% P character. Okay students, after this next is sp3d hybridization. What is sp3d hybridization? When 1s orbital and 3p orbital and 1d orbital combine together, mix together. Look here, sp3d hybridization. Number 4. Number 4 is sp3d hybridization. sp3d. When 1s orbital, 3p orbital and 1d orbital mixed together to form 3 4 5, to form 5 new equivalent hybrid orbital. This is called sp3d hybridization. For example, PCl5, atomic number of phosphorus 15, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3, 2 2 4 6 10 12 3 15. After this, ground state, we can fill electron in outermost orbital s. 3s 1 electron, 2 electron, 3p 1 electron, 2 electron, d electron. Important point, number of Sallu-Paji Dila-Feco. This is the important point you have to learn, students. S orbital contain 2 electron, add 4 4, 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 4 14. So electrons are 2 6 10 14. Now orbitals are half of electron, so orbital are 1 half of electron, half of 2 1, half of 6 3, half of 10 5, half of 14 7. So these are orbital. So in case of S, orbital is only 1. In case of P, orbital 3. In case of D, orbital 5. Here D orbital is empty. This is P orbital, this is S orbital, 3s, this is 3px, this is P orbital, and this is D orbital, 3D orbital. So this is the important point you have to know. Now look here, I am telling you, this is ground state, excited state. In excited state, 1 electron jump from here. So we have 1s and 3p one electron jump, so we can say 1s and 3p and d. So hybridization become sp3d hybridization. sp3d hybridization. Okay students, sp3d hybridization. Now I am telling you structure of PCl5. Structure of PCl5 is structure of PCl5. 1 phosphorus, 1 Cl, 2 Cl, 3 Cl, 4 Cl, 5 Cl. This is the structure, trigonal bipyramidal. Its structure is a trigonal bipyramidal. After this, bond angle 90 degree, 120 degree. After this, percentage S character 1s upon total. In case of percentage p character, 3p upon total orbital 5. So look here, percentage S character 1s upon total 5 into 100, we get 20. After this percentage p character, here number of p orbital 3, so we can say 3 upon 5 into 100, 60%. After this percentage z character, same, d orbital 1 upon total 5 into 100, we get 20%. Okay students, after this next is sp3d hybridization. Similarly, sp3d hybridization, sp3d2 hybridization, number 5. When 1s orbital, 3p orbital and 2d orbital mix together to form 6 new equivalent hybrid orbital. This is called sp3d2 hybridization. Example is SF6. Okay. After this, next number 6 is it contain octahedral shape. Shape of SF6 is octahedral. In this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a octahedral shape. Shape of SF6 is octahedral. Bond angle 90 degree and 72 degree. And similarly, you have to do all work. So this is octahedral in shape. After this, next is sp3d3 hybridization. sp3d3 hybridization number 7. sp3d3 hybridization. When 1s orbital, 3p orbital and 3d orbital mixed together to form 7 new equivalent hybrid orbital. This is called sp3d3 hybridization. Example IF7. IF7. Okay students. Student, I hope that you can understand all point in this video. In next video, I will tell you trick to find out hybridization. So like this video, share this video, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.